Minista wa Githomo Baruthi Amina Mohamed augite nginyagia riu gicunjĩ kia 87 harĩ 100 kia arutwo aria mekire kigeranio gia KCPE mwaka muhituku ni marikitie kuingira thukuru cia secondary itiganite guku bururi-ini.
As of yesterday, NEMIS statistics indicated that the ministry had realized an 87% Form 1 transition. This means that 895,787 students have now fully enrolled into Form 1.
Akiaria ari thukuru-ini wa secondary wa airitu wa Aria guku muciĩ-ini wa Nairobi, Amina augite kaunti ya Murang'a niyo iri na arutwo aingĩ aria maingirite thukuru cia secondary na gicunjĩ kia 97 harĩ 100. No ona kuri uguo ministry ya githomo ni yonanitie kwaga kuiganira ni unyihu wa arutwo aria maingirite thukuru cia secondary thiini wa kaunti 6 guku onayo kaunti ya Nairobi ikiorotwo.
The 100% transition. By yesterday, Murang'a County had the highest transition rate of 97%. We are also concerned about the enrollment rate in 6 counties. There are 6 counties that have below 70%. And these counties are Mombasa, Lamu, Kwale, Samburu, Isiolo, and Tana River. This low enrollment rate, ladies and gentlemen, is unacceptable.
Hamwe na uguo Amina ni ahithuritie ati kuri na arutwo 640 matuite matua ma gucokera kirathi gia 8 guku na arutwo angi 2299 makaingira thukuru cia kothi cia moko kuria areganite na ikinya riu akiuga no nginyagia maingire thukuru cia secondary.
The current NEMIS data, 640 candidates have opted to repeat class 8. 640 candidates have opted to repeat standard 8. While 2,299 have joined vocational colleges. Now that too is not acceptable. Standard 8 leavers must join Form 1.
We shall also make sure that we get this last mile of 100% transition and having each of our children in school. I would not want to go beyond that. CS Nairobi, I know you mentioned, is in the red zone. We have 10 counties.
Ministry ya githomo ni itariirie ati unyihu wa arutwo kuingira thukuru cia secondary umanite na uhaguku wa ugitiri, arutwo kuhika mari anini na maundu ma unduire oro undu umwe na ukia kuria makinyiriirie ati onao arutwo aria magiire ciana ni megukorwo magikuranwo kuria mari niguo mahotithio guthie na mbere na mathomo. Ona thengia wa gicunjĩ kia 87 harĩ 100 kia arutwo aria mekire kigeranio gia KCPE kuingira thukuru cia secondary, ministry ya githomo ni yugite ni gukorwo ikimurikana kinyi kaunti 5 iria iri na namba nini ya arutwo aria maingirite thiini wa thukuru cia secondary. Nugari wa Mbui, Njata TV.